As of today, there is only one way to properly log out fully off your Oculus Quest tube. You will have to perform a factory reset. I'm going to teach you how to go about and do this process, but keep that in mind. Doing a factory reset on your Oculus headset means that you will be losing all the data that is on it. With that in mind, what you have to do in order to perform a factory reset and log out of your Oculus Quest tube is to first power off your headset completely. Then hold the power and volume button on your headset. Make sure that you are pressing the volume down button and you hold power simultaneously. The boot screen will appear on your headset after you hold power and volume down. Using the volume buttons, you will be able to go up and down on this bootloader mode, and what you have to do is select the factory reset option. Confirm by pressing the power button, and then confirm that you want to do a factory reset again. Like I said in the beginning, this will completely wipe all the data in your Oculus Quest tube, and it is the only way to log out of your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of your account on the Oculus Quest tube. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.